I have just been sort of floored by your submission. So if I understand your submission correctly, what you are telling us is that the effect, at the very least, the effect of the Supreme Court judgment in saying that the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf cannot be allocated the bat symbol is to eliminate the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf as a political party from the electoral fray for the general election of 2024. Is this what you?
That is absolutely not, my lord, what I have said, and I apologize. And let me now phrase what I said. My lord, let me please answer. This is very important because my lord has been floored, so I want to unfloor that.
Absolutely flabbergasted.
No, my lord, please don't be.
Reading a judgment of
Let me answer, my lord. That's not what I said at all. What I said is this. I said that a candidate, in order to be treated as being nominated by a political party, must, one, give a declaration on oath that he belongs to that party, and give a party affiliation certificate. That is one. Number two, in order to contest election under a common election symbol of a political party, the candidate must have the common election symbol. The common election symbol was not available to this political party.
Why?
My lord, because
in that sense,
it did not.
This situation में क्या वो candidate?
I think that's not a fair characterization, my lord, that I'm saying that it eliminated the political party.
पहली बात यह है कि पहली एक दफा बात होती है कि जजमेंट की बात ना करें और फिर जजमेंट की बात हो रही है. अगर जजमेंट की बात है तो कम से कम खोल के पढ़ें.
But I'm not referring to it.
नहीं तो प्लीज आर्ग्यू योर वे because that's not the judgment, it is the law. इसमें पढ़ने जरा पैराग्राफ 15. In the instant case, no one sought to deprive the PTI of an election symbol, not the ECP, the government, nor any political party. Now, one of the things is when you don't hold an election, that's the result. You can do it tomorrow. Election कर लें, ले लो वापस symbol. It's not an end time thing. I mean, I was very surprised कि election फिर भी नहीं कर रहे हो. 10 दफा वो कहने दो हम नहीं करेंगे, आप कुछ कर लो. भाई हमने कानून नहीं बनाया, जिसने कानून बनाया उसको जाके कहो कि आप क्यों लिखी है. ये देखें, ये मुनासिब बात नहीं है. या तो अगर आप जजमेंट बार बार रेफर करें फिर उसको पढ़ के बताइए कहाँ लिखी हुई है ये बातें. ये आप या तो अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट करें. हम आपके तो कोई लिमिट होती है ना कि आप बस हम चले जाएं क्या कब तक की केस सुनेंगे. कोई खत्म तो करना चाहिए ना केस. हर केस कोई महीनों तो नहीं चलना चाहिए. बाकी लोग भी तो सफर कर रहे हैं. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ केसेस ऑफ पेंडिंग.
इसका मतलब है
आप प्लीज अपना आर्ग्यू करें.
You are saying
पॉइंट आपने कहा नहीं, आपने 2 सेकंड.
a binary thing, right? That either you get the symbol and then you are a candidate of the political party, or you don't and you are an independent candidate. ये तो आपकी बात मुझे ठीक समझ आई है. Now here is a problem, a difficulty, that on account of a judgment of the Supreme Court, and I will say that because Election Commission has based itself on that judgment, on that we are unable to give you that election symbol. Therefore, you become an independent candidate.
And this is also how you have interpreted it in your order of the 2nd February.
आप देखिए, आप
जो कहना चाहते हैं वो कहता कि मैं अभी समझ आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं.
My lord, मैंने तो I thought I was extremely clear, my lord. If my lords think that I wasn't,
आप जो binary कह रहे हैं,
you were not, so that's why
I wasn't. So my lord, may I ask my lord to help me so I can help
I just want to understand, adding to what
I want to hear you.
My lord, I want to
I
argue.
think we should hear counsel and then we can write anything we want to. That's our prerogative. But at least अपना आर्गुमेंट तो खत्म करें. अपना आर्गुमेंट हम आपसे 100 सवाल पूछ लेंगे. आप अपना एक कंटेंशन तो रिकॉर्ड करें. अभी तक तो आपने 2 सेक्शन पढ़े. बस
बिल्कुल
आगे बढ़िए.